Hey everyone, today I wanted to share something that I've been exploring lately, this idea of consumer crypto. Now, I know what you are thinking. Isn't crypto already out there for everyone? Well, sure, but from what I've seen, it still feels kind of a niche and intimidating, let's face it. That's why I've been checking out a platform called Abstract. Not sure if you heard about it yet. And honestly, it's starting to change how I think about everyday blockchain use. For a while, I've been wondering if blockchain is such a big deal. Why aren't more people diving in? Let's face it, most crypto tools are clunky, a bit confusing, and can be scary if you don't know what you are doing. Abstract claims it's working to fix that. They've got this thing called Abstract Global Wallet, AGW, and I've been playing around with it. The whole experience feels refreshingly straightforward. No complicated seed phrases, no puzzle solving, just to send a transaction. It's as if you are just sending an email. And for once, the idea of consumer crypto basically making crypto part of everyday life feels like more than just a buzzword. One thing I found neat is that Abstract is built on a layer 2 solution using SK rollups on Ethereum, which basically means it's faster and cheaper to use while still keeping everything secure. I'm not a hardcore crypto tech, but I like knowing it's safe under the hood. The wallet lets me handle multiple cryptocurrencies without needing of a bunch of different apps, and I've been able to connect to a different decentralized application, dApps, without feeling like I need an engineer degree. What really gets me excited though is the tone of the whole platform. Abstract treats blockchain like it's something playful and accessible. I've been poking around with tools that used to make me nervous, like DeFi or messing with smart contracts, and the way Abstract sets it up, it's almost fun. They are using educational resources that don't make me feel dumb for not knowing everything right away. It's more like, hey, come try this out, we'll show you how. The Abstract Global Wallet basically turns what felt like an endless crypto maze into a simple interface. You can create your account with just an email or social login. No more, oh no, I lost my seed phrase nightmares. Transactions gives you real-time updates, so I actually know what's happening with my assets instead of feeling lost. It's small touches like these that gives me confidence. Trying new things in crypto often feels like walking into a store where everything's written in a foreign language. Abstract makes it feel like they've put up simple signs and instructions in my own language. It's definitely lowered the barrier for me, and as someone who's curious about the future, I appreciate how Abstract is thinking ahead. They are also talking about teaming up with real world brands, making it easy to use digital assets for things like shopping, event tickets. And if that actually takes off, we might finally see the day when using crypto doesn't feel like a specialized skill set, right? It's a big promise, but I'm hopeful. Another point that stands out to me is how they are listening to their community. I've seen platforms promise this before, but Abstract seems genuinely interested in feedback. I mean, they got a Discord group, they got Twitter, the docs places you can actually get involved, right? This approach makes it feel like I'm part of something evolving rather than just a user clicking buttons. So, after spending some time with Abstract this week, I can say it's one of the first projects that makes consumer crypto feel like a real thing. It's still in the early days, right? But I'm more comfortable now navigating the space. And That's saying a lot. If you've been on the fence about blockchain technology or maybe felt intimidated by crypto complexity, Abstract might be worth a look. No guarantee it's perfect, but from what I've seen, it's a step in the right direction towards making crypto an everyday, approachable part of life. So that's where I'm at with Abstract, this platform that's trying to turn the idea of consumer crypto into an everyday reality. If you've been curious about new ways to manage digital assets or maybe even earn a bit on the side, this could be worth keeping on your radar. I'm excited to see how it evolves, and maybe who knows, maybe Abstract will become one of those tools that empowers more people to hop on board the crypto train without feeling overwhelmed. If you decide to check it out, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to sharing more tips and insights on new opportunities, new cool projects, and new ways to potentially make money in this rapidly changing digital landscape. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.